Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports.
Leon Bailey's absence from the Reggae Boys squad will be extended as the winger has been ruled out of the upcoming Nations League games against Cuba and Honduras and will be replaced in the squad by Jamal Lowe. Bailey was substituted after just 15 minutes on Saturday after picking up an injury in Aston Villa's 2-1 win over Leicester City in the English Premier League. Villa manager Unai Emery, following the game, revealed that the winger had suffered a suspected hamstring injury. According to a release from the Jamaica Football Federation on Monday, Lowe, who plays for Sheffield Wednesday in the English Championship, has been named as Bailey's replacement. Bailey has not featured for the Reggae Boys since November last year after taking a break from the national team before being suspended by the JFF. The Reggae Boys are set to have their first training session under new coach Steve McLaren on Tuesday ahead of Friday's game against Cuba at the National Stadium. Real Mona will battle Arnett in the final of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association Under-15 Championship after both teams had contrasting semi-final wins on Sunday at Constant Spring. In the first semi-final, Tyler Faulkner scored 4 times as Real Mona hammered Santa 6-0 to make progress. Faulkner netted in the first, 31st, 68th and 75th minutes, while Davian Clark and Dominic Clark added their names to the score sheet in the 25th and 79th minutes. Meanwhile, it took penalties to separate Arnett Gardens and Ligani United in their semi-final after the game ended 1-1. Renice Wasom gave Arnett the lead in the 48th minute before Damar Smith equalized in the 50th. Captain of Arnett Gardens, Shalina Grant, scored the winning penalty in a 5-4 shootout win after Keneal Jackson missed for Ligani. The final is set for Saturday. In cricket, St. Lucia Kings defeated host St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots by 5 wickets in the late match in the Caribbean Premier League on Sunday at Warner Park. Led by a centre from Evan Lewis, the Patriots first posted 201 for 3. Lewis blasted an even 100 off 54 balls with 7 fours and 9 sixes. He shared in a 199-run second wicket partnership with Kyle Mears, who cracked 92 off 62 balls, including 6 fours and 7 sixes. David Weezer took 2 for 29 for the Kings. In reply, the Kings smashed 202 for 5 off 17.2 overs. Banuka Rajapaksa made 68 not out and shared in a 103-run fifth-wicket partnership with Tim Seifert, who made 64. Weezer also chipped in with a late-order 34 not out. Mears and Anrit Nakir took 2 wickets each. And Argenteuil rebounded from their defeat to Scotia A last week with a victory over KPMG as action continued in the preliminary round of the Business House Netball Association Divisional Leagues at the weekend. Argenteuil, who lost 29-47 to Scotia A in the previous round, quickly rebounded with a 42-17 win over KPMG in their Senior League contest. Meanwhile, Scotia A once again underlined their dominance with an 82-17 beating of UHWIA. Ministry of Education B also clipped JMMB 41-40 in a tense contest in the other Senior League game. In the Intermediate League A, Grace Kennedy and Sagicor could not be separated at 36-all. JCF edged Jamaica Fire Brigade 39-32, while Advantage General came out on top over Alorica 49-46. In the lone game from the Intermediate League B, Hawkeye Security had a 40-38 win over JUTC. Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.